this week is starting after holiday yesterday, so overnight is extended for 2 days, and after Monday trended higher early on. We just balanced around 39.50. We did look for higher prices, but those were rejected for now, and this is somewhat double distribution from overnight. I didn't mark it, but that's that area. So yeah, if we look at bigger picture, we've broken outside of this balance, and now we'll see if we get a retest of at least Friday's high, the spike, or maybe even lower to the first value, but we'll see. Friday was balancing, and we had this late day spike, and for now prices are being accepted higher. This is most bullish scenario we can expect. And going to some drawings, I think that odds are that we will try lower early on, and I will monitor if we are to retest lower below overnight low, for example half gap, and if we reject lower prices and get back within overnight range, then I like to see some long opportunities to get back to the middle and to overnight highs. If we make a deeper retracement within a period, not building acceptance but just an early liquidation, I will be looking for an early rejection as well from yesterday's high, or in general from this area, because if we get below N low into those single prints, I'm not sure they can provide any support for price, and I think we will trade them through. So if we get below yesterday's high, I like to short. For example, if we trade here, I'd like to short with tight stop just above yesterday's high for potential move back to the other side of this spike, and then it will be telling if we are going to bounce from here or if we are going to traverse this entire value, because this point will be basically value area high from this entire balance range that we were trading. So if we find acceptance here, which means we start building multiple TPOs here, then we will potentially trade back down to this lower part of balance. But until we fill the gap, there's not big threat of those scenarios. If we start trading higher early on, I like to see early trading around this area if we find acceptance or not. If we fail here, I am probably not going to short this, and if we build some acceptance here, I like to enter on pullbacks to get above overnight high. And overall, I think that after quite tight range last 2 days, we can digest the the move that started late in the weekend, and we can create some more balanced inventory. Not sure about trending scenarios in either direction. We certainly can squeeze shorts further, or we can retest the highs and potentially revert all of those gains. But well, if I see trend day starting, I will adjust accordingly.